message of Prophet Isaiah about the Messiah. This is found in Isaiah chapter 7, 10, and Isaiah chapter 9, verse 1 to 7, and Isaiah chapter 61, verse 1 to 2. The Messiah would be born of a young woman. That is, you can also say the Messiah would be born of a virgin. The Messiah would be a ruler from the house of David. The Messiah would have an everlasting kingdom. That is, he would rule forever. He would rule with justice. He would be humble. That is, he would be simple. Messiah would be rejected. He would suffer for the forgiveness of sin. It would be the will of his Father for him to suffer. He would succeed in his work. He would be filled with God's Spirit. He would preach good news. He would be called Wonderful Counselor. Or you can just say he will be called the Prince of Peace. Prophecies of Isaiah on the suffering servant of Yahweh. This is found on Isaiah chapter 3. The servant will succeed in his work and will be highly honored. The success and honor will surprise many who have witnessed his suffering. He would be despised and rejected. He would be ignored by those who are with him. He is harshly treated. His body is buried with the bodies of rich men. He endures all that is done to him in humble silence. He accepts suffering which would have been received by others for their sins. Through his sufferings, human beings are reconciled with God. It was the will of God that the servant should suffer. He will be sentenced to death. This death is a sacrifice to bring forgiveness of sins. Through his suffering, human beings will be healed, that is, they will be made whole. Qualities of the servant of Yahweh, according to Prophet Isaiah. He is the chosen one of God. He is pleasing to God. He is righteous. He is patient. He is gentle. He is courageous. He is humble. He is knowledgeable. He is the liberator. He is faithful. How Jesus fulfilled Isaiah's prophecy, the suffering servant of Yahweh, according to Isaiah chapter 53. He bore the sins of human beings. He delivered Israel by dying on the cross. He submissively bore suffering and disgrace. He was despised and rejected. He was mocked and spat on. He was wounded on his side. He was crucified with thieves. He was without sin. He was a man of sorrow. The names given to the Messiah by Prophet Isaiah: Wonderful Counselor, Mighty God, and Father, Prince of